Aisha Bint Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with her, the scholar and teacher Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, the beloved wife of the Prophet Muhammad, may Allah be pleased with him, is known for her vast knowledge and her significant contributions to Islamic jurisprudence. She is one of the most prominent women in Islamic history, not just because of her relationship with the Prophet, may Allah be pleased with him, but because of her intellectual prowess. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, narrated over 2,200 hadiths, sayings of the Prophet, and played an important role in the development of Islamic law and ethics. Aisha's resilience and determination to preserve the teachings of Islam have made her a timeless figure of empowerment. She was a teacher, a leader, and a scholar, and her life shows that women can be sources of knowledge, leadership, and influence in society.